to hear.
I'm listening to hear you.
Silence the noise in my mind, Lord. Silence the noise in my mind. I need to hear you.
Oh, God.
Oh, I need to hear you.
Sing it, please, please.
Silence the noise in my mind, Lord. Silence the noise in my mind. I really, really, really need to hear you. Oh, Lord, I need to hear you. Silence the noise in my mind, Lord. Silence the noise in my mind. I need to hear you.
Sing it, bro. Sing it.
I need to hear you.
Oh, God.
Silence this noise in my mind, Lord.
Silence.
Silence the noise in my mind. I need to hear you. Oh, I need to hear you.
Lift your hands and tell him silence, Lord.
Silence the noise in my mind, Lord. Silence the noise in my mind. I need to hear you. I need to hear you.
Silence.
Silence the noise in my mind, Lord.
Too much noise, Lord.
Silence the noise in my mind.
Too much noise.
I need to hear you.
It's too much noise.
Holy, holy, holy one, I need to hear you.
Too many voices speaking, too many voices talking.
Silence the noise in my mind, Lord.
All stressed out.
Silence the noise in my mind.
I really
need to hear you.
I really do need.
Really, really do need to hear you. Oh, silence the noise in my mind. Silence the noise in my mind. I posture myself to hear you. I'm ready to hear you.
I'm dropping my sword.
God, I'm ready to hear you.
Show me.
Speak, Lord, your servant is listening. I've come to hear you.
Show me, Lord.
Standing in your glory to hear you. In your presence, I want to hear you.
Calming myself so I can hear you.
I want to hear you.
Calm me down so I can hear you. Calm me down. Need to hear you, Lord.
Speak, Lord, speak, Lord, speak, Lord. Your servant heareth, I want to hear you. I want to hear you. Hear you, Lord. I want to hear you.
That's why you came to church this morning. Other people in the grocery store looking for 10 cans of cranberry sauce. But silence the noise in my in my mind, Lord.
Silence the noise in my mind. I'm ready.
I need you. I need you. I'm humble enough to say I need you. I need you. I need you. I can't do it without you.
Every hour I need you.
I need you. I need you, Lord.
So now, my Savior, I need to hear.
I need you. I need you.
Lord, I come to thee. I need to hear you.
Honey, I'm gonna pray for these people, but I want to sow a seed too, because I need to hear you.
Really, really need you.
I need to hear you.
Need to hear